Este es el Museo de Ciencia e Industria. Miren los alrededores del museo, qué bellos. Los árboles en otoño. Miren los árboles como están cambiando de color por el otoño. Miren, verde, rojo. Acá mamá, la fotógrafa. Yeah, that's the one I like.
So, interesting things about the moon, for you guys who are interested in the moon. The moon is covered with craters, right? These craters, they form when objects from outer space, like meteors and meteorites, crash into the surface. Now, the reason that the moon has so many craters is that there's no atmosphere. An atmosphere is a protective layer, which, as you can see from our support screens, does many things. It filters out hazardous radiation from the sun. It traps it up there.
But it looks, when you look at it, it looks like it's a crater. It looks like it's going in.
It does. It has a really, really wide base. In fact, the base is so wide that since it's so thick and it has so many gases in it, the surface of Venus is actually hotter than the surface of Mercury, which is closer to the sun. Venus is our solar system's hottest planet. Also, because of its thick atmosphere, the pressure on the surface is very, very intense. NASA has sent down a few planets in our solar system. It's a gas giant. So since it's all gas, we can't actually walk on it, we can't build structures on it. But it does have some impressive features. Jupiter has a storm, which is called the Great Red Spot. And this storm has been raging for as long as we've been able to observe Jupiter. So for over 100 years, the Great Red Spot has gone around. Unfortunately, I can't rotate this image because it's an animation, but you might be able to see the reflection of the wind. It's called Io, and it is the solar system's most volcanic moon that we have found. Io is dotted with volcanoes that are active. One of them has been continuously erupting since 1979. And these volcanoes spit material off the surface of Io into space. This material can shoot as far as 40 miles off the surface. The reason scientists are theorizing that it has so much volcanic activity, life here on Earth. Now, you'll notice the sun is not just a stationary, static ball of fire. It has activity going on all over it. These bright white flashes are called solar flares. What they do is they shoot out all sorts of energy like heat, light, radiation, UV rays. All sorts of energy is sent out from the sun, some of which we can see. Thank you all for coming.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let me see. Estoy aquí en el tercer piso, creo, del museo.